Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today I'm going to braise chicken, the whole thigh. Yeah? I'm using thigh here because it's easier to get cooked in a smaller wok. Yeah? If you use the whole chicken, our wok usually is not big enough. So two thigh is the easiest. I just wash them thoroughly. Yeah? Then let's look at the ingredient we are going to use. I will need about 1.5 tablespoons of rock sugar, or you can use white sugar also can. Then this is a cinnamon stick, star anise, about 2 pieces of star anise, and bay leaf. This is 5 spice powder. This is shallot. This is ginger. And beside the chicken, I'll braise some hard-boiled egg together. Yeah. So we will definitely need some salt, some premium light soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, and dark soy sauce. That's how simple it is. To me, braised chicken is 10 times easier than braised pork. First of all, we're going to saute the shallot and also ginger. Yeah. Let's heat up the oil. Once you have heated the oil, we can put in the ginger and also shallot. And we're going to saute this for a minute or two before we continue. Yeah. You want to get some shallot oil and also ginger oil out of this. Once you start seeing the shallot started to brown, we can actually add in the cinnamon stick, bay leaf, and also star anise. Wow, you really can smell the fragrance coming up, especially from the shallot and also the dried spices. Next, give it a small bowl of Shaoxing wine. Follow with some filtered hot water. Why I use hot water? Because I don't want to reduce the temperature of the wok. Yeah? So let's give it some seasoning here. First of all, premium light soy sauce, about 4 to 5 tablespoons to start with. And then dark soy sauce, about 3-4 tablespoons for the color. Rock sugar, some 5 spice powder, 1 teaspoon of fine salt, and let's bring this to a boil. So once the braised broth is boiling for about 1 to 2 minutes, you can then put in the chicken thigh. And not forgetting the hard-boiled egg. I'll probably put in some tofu as well. Yeah. Anyway, bring it to a boil again. Once the broth started to boil again, close it with a lid, tune down to medium-low fire, and we shall let it cook for between 20 to 30 minutes lah. I'll put there 25 minutes lah. Right, this is after about 25 minutes. Let me take it out. Oh, look at the beautiful color. Right, so here's my very simple braised chicken recipe today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Now, before you cut it into big chunks, it's better for it to take out the chicken and cool it down first. If not, if you cut it when it is still very hot, chances are the meat is going to break apart. Yeah. So here's my very simple braised chicken recipe today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Enjoy your dinner with your family. Bye bye.